Your competition isn't just winning, they're using secret AI tools that you've never heard of. I'm going to break down 3 tools, how it can impact your business, and start scaling it today. Here are the 3 tools I would be looking at: Chatbase, Pickaxe, and then we'll talk about some tools we can be using for Cloudways and some of their AI tools. First one is Chatbase. This really allows you to create a chatbot that is like no other. I like Chatbase because number one, it's easy to use. And if you're creating an e-commerce business, or if you're an entrepreneur where you're interacting with your audience and they want to have access to you or your knowledge base, they can have this using something like Chatbase. Not only that, it integrates with Zapier and other automation platforms, so you can really supercharge this. Super easy to use. And just bottom line, there's a lot of people online that are copying the style of Chatbase. This is by far the easiest to use and the most scalable. We've been talking about them for years. They're a mainstay. They're doing great. The next one I would look at is Pickaxe. Now, what makes Pickaxe a little bit different would be, I would say, the different use cases built in for Pickaxe. Let's talk about a few. If you're trying to monetize different type of AI tools, you can do this really easily with Pickaxe. With Chatbase, if I'm going to need a payment system for people to get access to my chatbot, I'm going to have to go through a couple different platforms. Pickaxe is kind of just allowing you to have all in one. If you're going to have different bundles, different types of tools, you can have an all in one place in a very neat and secure package. That's what you have with Pickaxe. Not only that, you can monitor what people are using, what's going on, and all of those things, and you can customize it. And they've come a long way. Pickaxe came out a few years ago. We've been waiting for what they're doing, and now the use cases and how people are using this, how they're using it with either in Slack or creating their own communities around it. The we've been waiting a long time for this, and now it's paying off. So I'm hugely a fan of this. This came out on AppSumo years ago, and the wait is over for that. The next one would be looking at, if you're already running a business and you're looking for AI tools to supercharge either your WooCommerce or WordPress site. You can also look at Cloudways as well. They have 2 different things: the AI Copilot, and then also Cloudways Autonomous. This allows you to constantly be in the know of what your business is, and instead of you being in the weeds of your business, having clear indications of what's happening to your website, what's happening to your brand, and then being able to take action very quickly. In the comment section down below, let me know, what kind of tools are you looking to use? What are you using right now? Are you using ChatGPT, Notebook LM, Claude Code, something else? Let me know in the section down below.